Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meetup how to delete group. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Meetup app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your home icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply tap on your groups option right here and then tap on see all. Then once you're here, what you need to do is select the group that you want, and then once you're there, what you need to do inside is tap on this three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're there you'll find an option that says manage group. Simply tap on that and then select step down as organizer. Then Meetup will prompt you to select a new organizer. To delete the group, do not select a new organizer, simply click select continue without a replacement and confirm that you want to step down and not transfer ownership. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.